Valdemossa is a village and municipality on the island of Mallorca, part of the Spanish autonomous community of the Balearic Islands. It is famous for one landmark, the Royal Charter House of Valdemossa, built at the beginning of the 14th century when the mystic and philosopher Ramon Llull lived in this area of Mallorca. Since the 19th century, Valdemossa has been promoted internationally as a place of outstanding beauty, largely as a result of the affection of distinguished traveler and cultural writer, the Austrian Archduke Ludwig Salvator. Valdemossa is the birthplace of Catalina Thomas, Mallorca's patron saint. The saint was born in the 16th century, and his birthplace next to the parish has long since become a place of pilgrimage. Most of the buildings in the mountain village date back to the 16th and 17th centuries and are adorned with colorful tiles bearing the face of Mallorcan saints. Blooming oleander bushes in large terracotta tubs stand in front of the entrances and small cafes, inviting you to enjoy regional delicacies. Another tourist attraction in Valdemossa is the Costa Norte Cultural Center, which was an initiative of American actor Michael Douglas. In 2000, the Hollywood star acquired the estate Casa Sestaca on the northwest coast of Mallorca, where he occasionally lives with his wife Catherine Zeta-Jones. The cultural center houses an exhibition on the flora and fauna of the Tramuntana. In addition, Michael Douglas addresses the audience in a short documentary film. Visitors can sample Mallorcan products and attend a traditional dance performance. The old Carthusian monastery in the center of Valdemossa was consecrated in the late 14th century and is one of the main attractions for visitors on the west coast of Mallorca. A tour of the monastery complex will take you across the cloister to the Abbey Apothecary, which is still equipped with historic furniture from the 18th century. You will visit the monastery library, the audience hall, and the former residential cells of the monks. Cell number 4 was once home to a famous visitor who spent the winter of 1838-1839 there. Over 170 years ago, the world-famous composer Frédéric Chopin believed that the mild climate of Mallorca could cure his tuberculosis disease. The hope was not fulfilled, and after a few months, the composer left the island. Due to its location in the middle of the Tramuntana Mountains, the mountain village is an excellent starting point for hikes. The goal of most outdoor sports enthusiasts is the summit of Puig de Toix. The 1,064 meters high mountain dominates Valdemossa, and from its summit you have a fantastic view over the northwest coast of Mallorca. The most frequently used trail leads through the Finca Pública de Son Morroques to the summit. Further, hiking trails in Mallorca start directly in the center and lead through a rugged, rocky landscape. This mountain region has significantly more precipitation than in coastal areas. For this reason, olive trees, dwarf palms, pines, almond blossom in Mallorca, and holm oaks thrive on the slopes. If you wanna go for a swim, follow the road in the direction of Antras until you see the signpost for Port de Valdemossa. After a winding road, you arrived at the coast, where a small pebble beach is the perfect spot for a swim. In the center of Valdemossa, in addition to numerous souvenir shops, individual leather goods shops, fashion boutiques, and craft shops, it's really worth a gentle stroll. One local specialty which has gained fame throughout the island is coco de patata. The sweet-tasting potato pastry is available in every bakery, and you must try it during your stay in the mountain village. Sunday is market day in Valdemossa. At the stands, traders offer freshly caught seafood, fresh fruit and vegetables, sheep's cheese and Catalan ham. With authentic Mallorcan charm, the mountain village of Valdemossa in the Tramuntana Mountains welcomes you warmly. A detour to the picturesque village should definitely be planned for your next trip to Mallorca.
¿No sabes cómo llegar?